In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GSAP in Webflow. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the GSAP integration in the Webflow ecosystem, review what it does, and install it securely so you can start building smooth, performant animations with ease. First, open your Webflow project in the Designer. Make sure you're logged into the account that owns or has access to the site you want to enhance. Once you're in, look for the Apps area or the search field that lets you browse available integrations. Click into the search box to focus it. Then type the name of the GSAP app you want to use so you can quickly narrow down the results. In the results, find the app card that highlights its value with a message along the lines of shipping animations in minutes with no code required. Click that card to open it. This takes you to a preview where you can learn more at a glance. From there, choose the option to open the full listing. The full listing page is helpful because it consolidates all the key details: what the app does, how it integrates with your site, and what to expect during setup. On the listing page, switch to the Description tab to get a clear overview of the features and typical use cases. This is a good moment to confirm that the integration aligns with your animation goals and workflow. Then move over to the Permissions tab. Reviewing permissions is important. Here you'll see exactly what access the app needs in your Webflow project, so you can install with confidence. When you're ready, click Install on Site. This begins the installation flow for your current project. You'll be redirected to a Webflow authorization screen that confirms the app you're connecting and the access it's requesting. Continue from there to proceed with the connection. Next, sign into Webflow if prompted. Click into the email field and enter your account email. Then click into the password field and enter your password. When your details are set, click Sign In. Webflow will verify your credentials and finalize the authorization, which completes the installation process for the app. That's it. GSAP is now connected to your Webflow project via the app you selected. If something doesn't appear right away, give the designer a quick refresh to ensure all changes are loaded. For smooth results, keep an eye on the app's notes in the description and permissions sections and